Want to set a time limit to view your snap on Snapchat? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily set the view limit. First thing first, move into your application Snapchat. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, click any of the random photo for the demo. Once you have clicked the picture, tap on this timer on icon. The timer will be available to you. You can choose from 0.10 second to 10 second. For now, let me set it to 5 second. Once you've selected, go back. You can see that the timer has been set to 5 second. Now click on send to and send it to the people on Snapchat. After that, the people will only be able to view the snap for 5 seconds. After that, the snap will not be opened. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.